Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by course.Close. Welcome to Jamaica land we love. Located in Tripoli, Runaway Bay, St. Anne. This large, four-story, unfinished, 17,000 square feet resort, villa, guest house or family residence spans over 37,000 square feet of land. The property has 9 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, laundry, utility room, basement, double car garage, large wraparound balconies, magnificent view of the Runaway Bay area and the ocean, close to all amenities, 5 minutes to major beaches, hotels, and golf course, close to Jewel Runaway Bay, FDR and Eaton Hall. Great investment opportunity. The area has good market value and trends upward over the years. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 570,000 or Jamaican $87.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.